Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news that both stocks and gold are higher, while oil and bond yields and our mortgage rates are lower. But first, the run of improving American data is continuing. Sales of previously owned homes climbed in September to the highest level in a year and beating analysts' estimates. This is yet another data marker pointing to growing confidence in the US economy as employment firms. In Europe, Reuters is reporting that the ECB is considering buying corporate bonds on the secondary market and may decide on the matter as soon as December with a view to beginning buying early next year. So far, they have only tentatively bought banks' covered bonds. German disquiet is impeding their lurch into full-blown QE. China's growth decelerated in the third quarter to its slowest pace in more than 5 years, as a pickup in exports failed to offset the impact of a slowing property market and sluggish manufacturing. But for all that, the result was better than analysts had expected, and it gave a small boost to currencies like the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. In fact, it is important to acknowledge that part of China's slowdown is by design, and that is why markets are giving China the benefit of the doubt at the moment. In New York, however, stocks are up in mid-afternoon trade, pushed along by better than expected earnings reports. Even European stocks are high, in their case helped by those ECB corporate bond buying rumours. US Treasury 10-year yields are again virtually unchanged at 2.21. In New Zealand this morning, we start with wholesale swap rates sharply lower and somewhat surprisingly lower. And this morning, both Westpac and ANZ followed Kiwibank and BNZ in lowering some key home loan rates. In fact, ANZ matched Kiwibank's market-leading one-year rate. The difference between the two is that ANZ is a special with LVR and other conditions, while Kiwibank's offer doesn't have those restrictions. The oil price is still under $83 a barrel, with Brent price now just under $86 a barrel. In mid-afternoon trade in New York, these prices are slipping. The gold price, however, is up, now at $1,250 an ounce. That's a 6-week high, and the yellow metal is now on a clear upward trend. We start today with our currency virtually unchanged. The New Zealand dollar is at 79.7 US cents, 90.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 77.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.